Hi guys, and welcome to the Voice of AI. My name is Chris Plant. We covered a wide range of exciting developments in artificial intelligence this week. So what was hot? Let's find out. This week was the return of Apple at the WWDC 2023. In our review, we delved into iOS 17, macOS Sonoma, the M2 chip, and the new MacBook Air. Again, it seems we're witness to breakthroughs in AI and machine learning with all of the new innovation. Moreover, we got a taste of the incredible Apple Vision Pro and saw what it had to offer. Apple unveiled its latest masterpiece, the Apple Vision Pro, a $3,499 high-end augmented reality headset designed to change the way we interact with the world. This innovative product boasts cutting-edge features such as retina searing display for stunning visuals, state-of-the-art motion tracking for immersive experiences, and seamless integration into Apple's ecosystem. The exact release date is not quite yet known, but early next year is to be expected. Check out my Apple WWDC review right here. Also this week, I explored the features of Photoshop Beta, specifically the generative AI and generative fill that can be used to help any business. In this video, I looked at interior design. These AI tools allow designers to experiment with different textures and create personalized designs specifically for their customers. With the help of Photoshop Generative AI, it is now possible to bring your interior design visions to life quickly and easily. You can watch my tutorial on the link above and see how you can use it for your own business. The Voice of AI Prompt Engineering tutorial course was launched this week as well to equip our followers with practical knowledge about AI for content generation, research, and for producing high-quality work. The goal is to assist you develop your own prompt library by understanding the most efficient way in which prompts are engineered to produce the best output. In the latest session, we delved into SEO strategy and unearthed content possibilities utilizing keywords in our prompts. Similar sessions will take place in the future, but for now, a video review of this session can be seen here on the link above and others in our tutorial playlist. So it was another crazy AI launch week. Let's just take a look at what new AI was released. I asked Bard to come up with a quick review of the products, which you can see right here. If you look at this, Bard also provided an Excel table for us, which I've shared with you in the YouTube video description. If we look at this data, some of the most exciting things in here, and especially in my line of sight, are of course Apple Vision Pro, but also I'm pretty interested in Nvidia Neuralangelo. This new software program from Nvidia can help you create realistic 3D characters using artificial intelligence. Also, Google Flood AI. This new program from Google is used to predict and prevent floods. It could help to save lives and property damage in the future. Google Starline. This new video chat system from Google uses augmented reality to create a more immersive experience, and it looks pretty interesting. This will make video conferencing more natural and productive, and expect to see a lot more of it in the future. I'd actually like to make a comparison between Google Starlight and Apple's newly released technology in FaceTime, just to see how they compare. These are just a few of the many interesting AI advancements that are happening right now. And as AI continues to develop, it's like that we'll see even more groundbreaking innovations in the next weeks and months to come. Well, that's all for today, so thanks for watching the video. And if you haven't already, please like and subscribe to our channel for more AI-related content and tips. And join me on the journey to unlock the potential of AI. If you have any questions or feedback, please leave them in the comment section below, and I'll see you next time. All the very best. I'm Chris from the Voice of AI. Cheers and bye-bye now.